If you've been following KwAmi Court's posts on social media and you've been asking yourself, where exactly is KwAmi Court located in Dansoman, this video answers your question. This afternoon, we are driving all the way to KwAmi Court and we're starting our journey right from the Independence Square. To get to KwAmi Court, I'll be using the beach road starting from the Atta Mills High Street to Ghana Post and then go into Kolebu, Mamprobi, Sempe, and then into Dansoman. I hope you're ready for the journey. Do come along with us. So we are still en route to KwAmi Court, and I told you that I was using the beach road, but I had to go through the Central Business District to get onto the beach road actually. So we would be there. We'll be on the beach road in the next few minutes. We've been able to sail through, and so far we are almost about getting into Dansoman. It's been like 20 minutes since we left the Independence Square, and yeah, we are in Dansoman actually. So we'll be getting to KwAmi Court in a bit. Stay tuned and enjoy the journey. We're almost here. It's been good riding with me. And we're going to go into the compound to see what's in there. We have just arrived at where KwAmi Court will be situated. We are on the 2nd to 12th Exhibition Street here in Dansoman. And as you can see, we are in front of the location for KwAmi Court. So as I mentioned earlier, today we are at the location for KwAmi Court and here on the 2nd 12th Exhibition Street in Dansoman. As you can see, this is an old structure. We are going to demolish and put up KwAmi Court, which is going to be magnificent, as you have seen in the photo. It's going to be a magnificent structure that would come with a clubhouse, a rooftop pool, a kids playground, and an underground parking to make it easy for you to park your cars. I'm going to be giving a little background information on KwAmi Court. As you can see, it sits on a little under an acre, and the topography of the land is relatively flat, and it slopes on the right-hand side and to the rear. So what this basically means for the layperson is the water, whatever situation it is, if there's flooding, there would be no water sitting here. It would slope into Pambros and slope to the back of the road. And we have a very good drainage system as well, so you're rest assured that water would never be sitting in your compound. The orientation of KwAmi Court is to face the north. So if you come through to the entrance, and this is where KwAmi Court will be located. Still in the season of love, we are enjoying the Love One Tintin promo, which started a few days before Val's Day. And we are running it till the end of this month, which is the 29th of February. And you may be aware that we've slashed our prices from $47,000 to $39,950. As my colleague would say, it's completely a steal. So you want to take advantage of this promotion and lock up your price. I hope you've enjoyed our video and you know the location of KwAmi Court. So you can come anytime or call us to book a viewing. My name is Blessing. It's been nice hanging out with you. Bye.